Welcome to a guided spinal mobility routine. You can join in here starting on your hands and knees. This is going to get you feeling nice and loose and energized. So we'll start off here with some hip circles. We're going to do a bunch of different spinal movements, rounding, arching, moving the spine side to side. You can do some big circles or barrel rolls here. I encourage you to close your eyes and work on articulating every single joint here in the spine. Do what feels right, moving nice and slow, making sure you're breathing, getting nice arching and rounding through the back. Now sitting your hips back to a child's pose, taking a deep breath, we'll begin to do some twists looking through your left armpit and then across to your right armpit. Making sure you're pressing the hands into the floor nice and strong. So this is also great for opening up the shoulders, getting a nice twist here through the mid-back. Now looking forward, transitioning forward to a Cobra Backbend with the knees on the floor. So we're gonna flow back and forth from a child's pose, exhaling as you sit your hips back, and then inhaling, transitioning through tabletop to a back bend, keeping the belly button tucked in towards the spine, protecting the low back. Okay, moving at a pace that feels comfortable for you. Hands are really pressing down on the floor, shoulders squeezing back, getting that bend through the upper back. Go ahead and curl your toes, shifting the hips up to down dog, getting a stretch through the back of the legs. Now we'll do the same thing here through push-up plank and then to an upward facing dog. If you need to bring your knees down, that's perfectly fine. Do it at a level that works for you. Slow and controlled, strong through the core and shoulders as you do your back bend, getting that chest lifted, exhaling as your hips go up to down dog. Forward back bend, slow and controlled. Good. Make the flow nice and smooth. Now coming forward in that cobra, bringing the knees down, we'll start to do some twists here. So twisting to the right, looking over the right shoulder, and then coming across side to side. Getting some good range of motion here through the back, and then bringing your belly to the floor, hands in 90-degree cactus position. We'll do some scorpion twists. So you'll look to one side and then bring that leg over behind you, making sure you're anchoring in the arm, shoulder into the floor so you get a good pec stretch. So again here, looking to your right, moving the right leg back behind you. You can play with a bent knee or a straight leg and you'll feel a different stretch in your hips here. So this is good for the shoulder, spine, and hips. Repeat any of these movements as needed. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you on the next one.